Hello, everyone. My name is Mr. Babs, and today we're going to be talking about writing. We're going to start by asking ourselves, what is a paragraph? Well, a paragraph is a collection of sentences that describe, discuss, or explain one central idea. Generally, a paragraph is composed of one topic sentence and a number of other sentences that either support or describe the topic sentence. And just as sentences can be combined into paragraphs, paragraphs can be combined into essays. To better understand what a paragraph is, we must look at the individual parts. The three main parts of the paragraph are the topic sentence, the supporting detail sentences, and the concluding sentence. Think about it as a cake. Although we think of a cake as food, it is actually made up of different parts. No single part is the cake. It is a good cake only when it includes all the parts in the right amount. As you read about the parts of a good paragraph, remember the simple analogy of the parts of the cake. So now we're going to talk about how does a paragraph start? Well, a paragraph starts with a topic sentence that includes two parts, a main subject and a controlling idea. Now, a topic sentence contains the main subject of the paragraph and a controlling idea, but the controlling idea steers the main topic in the direction that the writer wants. So let's take a look at the following example. Cars can be used in many different situations. The word cars is the main subject. The controlling idea is how many different situations. So in this sentence, we know the paragraph is going to discuss something about cars, which is the main subject, and it will explain how people use cars in different ways. Now we're going to do an activity, and that activity is practicing identifying a good topic sentence. So let's take a look. So let's look at the first example. Bilingual dictionaries can help non-native learners in two very important ways. In a bilingual dictionary, the information is presented in two different languages. Now, the second sentence is simply a fact. That means that it doesn't make a great topic sentence. The first one, however, states what they're going to be talking about in the paragraph. Bilingual dictionaries can help non-native learners in two very important ways. It outlines the topic of the paragraph. Now let's move on. An accused person has to appear in court as part of a successful trial process, whereas an accused person must do three important things to ensure a successful trial. As we can see, the first sentence is simply a fact, whereas the second sentence, once again, is basically touching on what they're going to be explaining in the following paragraph. Then we've got the next one. Fossils are the remains of plants and animals that died a long time ago. Once again, that's simply a fact. Whereas the second sentence, there are three techniques that scientists use to discover the true age of a fossil. That's talking about the topic of the paragraph. And fourth, computers have changed people's communications patterns compared to computers are expensive. Once again, the second one is clearly a fact. The first one is actually stating a topic. And finally, dogs have very specific traits that make them a popular pet. Again, this is a good topic sentence, whereas the following sentence, Chihuahuas, Poodles, German Shepherds, Terriers, and Beagles are popular pets, that's simply a fact. So what's important to remember is if it is simply a fact, it is probably not a good topic sentence. You want your sentence to basically give a precursor to what the paragraph is going to talk about. For our next activity, we're going to study sentences in an actual paragraph. So let's take a look at the paragraph. Sorry about that, I'm blocking a little. There we go. That's better. So there are many steps in changing a tire on your car, but before you get started, make sure you have the following items, yada, yada, yada. So right away, we can see that the topic sentence is actually the first one. Now, this is not always the case. The topic sentence isn't always the first sentence in a paragraph, but More often than not, it is the first sentence. So, the topic sentence here is there are many steps in changing a tire on your car. This is a good topic sentence because it doesn't, it's not simply a fact. It is basically a precursor to the rest of the paragraph. By saying there are many steps in changing a tire on your car, we now know this paragraph is going to talk about how to change a tire on your car. So now that we know what a topic sentence does and its function in a paragraph, let's talk about the 5 features of a good topic sentence. The 5 features are: the topic sentence guides the whole paragraph. It lets the reader know what the rest of the paragraph will be about. It is not a well known fact. A good topic sentence is not a general fact that everyone accepts. And it's specific. A good topic sentence is specific. It's not too specific, though. It doesn't give out the specifics in the topic sentence. The topic sentence is meant, as you can see, to guide the paragraph, not give all the facts. The rest of the paragraph is where the facts should be. And then it has a good controlling idea, which is a group of words or a phrase that helps guide the flow of the ideas. Okay, everyone, that's all I have today on the 5 features of a good topic sentence and topic sentences in general. Tune in next time when we talk about how to write a full paragraph. Have a great day.